I'm about to open this kiln. Here we go. We reached cone 7. 7 went all the way down. This is a bowl I did Sgraffito carving on. I love the way this crystalline ice blue coyote glaze turned out. That turned out beautiful. This turned out great. The design is a little lost, but you can still see the peony patterns I carved. It's got a beautiful green. This one has way more definition. Now that's what I'm going for, where the glaze really comes through. I used a celadon with a antique green. This is a refired vase. There's some pitting, but it's a lot better. This turned out amazing. I love the way the green broke through the glaze and the flower is really apparent. Yeah, that's beautiful. These are oil bottles. Here's another bottle. And it turned out so pretty. Now this pattern got totally washed out, but it kind of has this antique look to it. I like it. Another bottle, I did kind of this feathery look and made a little peacock on the bottom. Here's another bottle. And one more bottle. Very nice. These are a Copalera, so you can hold it and have your incense burning in there without it getting too hot. Here's another Copalera. This has this glaze pitted this time, which is a little unfortunate. This is pitting. It's not my favorite thing. I might have to refire that. Little emblem of a leaf right there that turned out beautifully. Here's another little cup. This kiln is full. Ooh! This is a wall hanging I did. I made a video of the full process of sculpting this, so you can check that out on my YouTube channel. And I like that she has freckles. It's cute. Got some more spoon holders. See, there's no pitting on this, which looks great. That turned out, this is the one you painted.
Oh, wow.
Here's another spoon holder. These are pretty, they're smaller than I thought they would be. Here's a dragon mug. I like the face on this dragon. It's slinking around the mug. This was a commission, so this is probably going to be sent out on Monday. Here's another Copalera. And I love the way this one turned out. I am tempted to keep that one. That's my new favorite one. These are some hand-built cups I made. That video will be coming out soon. And I'll probably clip this to that. There's 2 of them. Some eyes on the bottom. Here's another tree mug. Got lots of little cups. Herb jar. More herb jars than these. Oh, there's one more. 2 more. Oh. Lots of little cups. The tiny ones are 20, the bigger ones get up to 35. I love these. I would keep one of those myself. Lots of shot glasses. Another little honey jar. Well, the design on that got lost too, which is not my favorite, but it's still beautiful. This is great. nice honey jar. Oh my goodness, so many little cups. This is a whole set. Let's pull them all out. Oh, and these are a new style too. I made some little candle holders because I sell candles as well. But these are for votives. This glaze has been giving me a lot of problems, and that's unfortunate because I love that glaze. It's a gunpowder green. I'm not sure what it needs to be better, but these are tiny, tiny little cups. Tiny mugs. I think these turned out the best that I've made so far with the tiny cups. Because this is the first time I actually trimmed a foot on the wheel. I would hand carve the foot and I think it just looks cleaner.
Well, I think our baristas will be able to try and pour a little latte.
These are beautiful. Candle holders. Little candle votive trays. Last one. Beautiful.